Hello students, welcome back to grammar learning. Today also I will start with your grammar chapter number 16, the phrase and the clause. These two words, try to differentiate these two words, phrase and clause. What does it mean? What is phrase and what is a clause? Let's start with the definition of phrase and clause. Phrase is a group of words. Clause also is a group of words, but phrase is a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. सेंस तो बनाता है लेकिन कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं बनाता है. इट हैज़ नो सब्जेक्ट एंड नो प्रेडिकेट. ओनली ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं जो सेंस बना रहा है लेकिन कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं बना रहा है बिकॉज इट does not have subject and predicate. Understood? See here, in the morning, सुबह में सेंस बना रहा है but it is not complete sense. Why? Because no subject, no predicate is given. Okay, here when the morning came, it is also a group of word and it is giving the meaning. Okay, so phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense because it has no subject and no predicate. While in second sentence, when the morning came is not a phrase because it has a subject and a predicate. Subject is the morning and predicate is came. Okay, so this is clause. Understood what is phrase and what is clause? So clause is a group of words that forms part of a larger sentence and has a subject and a predicate of its own. In short, ऐसे याद रखो कि क्लॉज है, उसमें सब्जेक्ट है, प्रेडिकेट है, मीन्स वो एक कंप्लीट सेंस है. ओके, कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. एंड फ्रेज है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जो सेंस बना रहे हैं बट इट डज नॉट गिव कंप्लीट सेंस. इट डज नॉट हैव सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट इन फ्रेज. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रेज, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब एंड नाउन. ओके, फ्रेज कौन कौन से फ्रेज हैं? Noun, adjective, adverb. These three types of phrases are there: noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase. Understood? How to find out noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase? Let's see. See, if the group of words is doing the work of an adverb, then it is an adverb phrase. If it does the work of an adverb, then it is adverb phrase. Here, when the sun set is a clause. Okay, phrase है, phrase अलग है, clause अलग है. Understood? At sunset है, वो क्या है? Phrase है, and it is doing the work of an adverb, so it is adverb phrase. And in second sentence it is given when the sun set. It is a clause and it has a subject and predicate and it also does the work of an adverb, so it is adverb clause. Understood? adverb तो दोनों में सेम है. अगर phrase है तो adverb phrase and if it is clause then adverb clause. Understood what is adverb clause? So adverb clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. See the examples. He likes a story with a moral in it. He likes a story with a moral in it. With a moral in it. What it is? Phrase or clause? First of all, try to find out phrase or clause. So it is phrase. It is phrase. And in second sentence, he likes a story which has a moral in it. It is clause and before with or which the noun is given. So it is an adjective phrase, an adjective clause. Understood? If noun or pronoun is given before the clause or the phrase, then it is adjective phrase or adjective clause. So adjective clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own. ये तो सब में common है. And does the work of an adjective. जो adjective की तरह काम कर रहा है that is adjective clause, and जो adverb की तरह काम कर रहा है that is adverb clause. Now noun. Here they expected to win the match. To win the match is phrase. Okay, ये क्या है? Phrase है. It is a phrase. They expected that they would win the match. It is a clause. Okay, how you will identify noun? The phrase or the clause does the work of a noun. Okay, so it is noun phrase or noun clause. Okay, generally noun clause is a group of words which contain subject and predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. देखो work of a noun, adverb, adjective ये तीन कर दोगे तो तीनों की definition हो गई. Understood? So generally जो noun clause या noun phrase है, noun clause या noun phrase है, okay, वो है what का आंसर देंगे. They will answer the question starts with what. What का आंसर देंगे. ओके, और WH वर्ड्स यूज हुए होंगे, that यूज हुआ होगा इन नाउन क्लॉज. अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दिस थ्री क्लॉजेस: adverb clause, adjective clause and noun clause. I am explaining you exercise 1 so that you will have the clear idea. I asked her where she was going. I asked her where she was going. Try to find out the clause because here all the clauses are given, no phrase is given. Okay, so find out the clause where she was going. It is a clause. Now try to find out which type of clause it is. What it is given? Where? See, mostly कंजंक्शन से स्टार्ट होगा. ओके, कंजंक्शन ऐसे हैं WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होगा. तो ये हुआ क्लॉज. अब कौन सा क्लॉज है? व्हाट का आंसर दे रहा है. आई आस्क्ड हर वेयर शी वॉज गोइंग. मैंने उससे पूछा कि वो कहाँ जा रही है. ओके, व्हाट आई आस्क्ड हर. व्हाट डिड आई आस्क हर. तो व्हाट से क्वेश्चन हुआ तो इट इज नाउन क्लॉज. ओके, you have to write noun clause. Understood? Okay, next one. I expected that he would win a match. So conjunction is connective is that he would win a prize. This is clause. Now which type of clause? First of all underline all the clause. Okay, he expected that he would win a prize. So that he would win a prize is clause. Now which type of clause it is? It gives the answer of what. What did he expect? है ना, what का आंसर दे रहा है ना. So again it is noun clause. Again it is noun clause. Next one is the boys went home when the school was over. The boys went home when the school was over. Clause is when the school was over. Here, which type of clause it is? Which type of clause it is? The boys went home when the school was over. See, before the clause, if noun or pronoun is given, then always it is an adjective clause. The boys went home when the school was over. When did the boys go home? See, here you will write adverb clause. बिकॉज इट शोज द टाइम. ओके, कब गए घर? तो जब स्कूल ओवर हो गया तब. ओके, सो इट इज एडवर्ब क्लोज. थर्ड वन इज व्हेन द स्कूल वॉज ओवर, एडवर्ब क्लोज. ओके, फोर्थ वन, he will pass if he works hard. He will pass if he works hard. ओके, कंडीशन है ना, वो कब पास होगा? अगर वो हार्ड वर्क करेगा तब. ओके, सो कंडीशन है. एडवर्ब्स में हम लोगों ने देखे ना, काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स में पर्पस, कंडीशन, टाइम, प्लेस, ये सब हैं. ओके, वो कब पास होगा? तो कंडीशन है इफ ही वर्क्स हार्ड. सो अगेन इट इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज. ओके, राइट क्लॉज ऑल्सो. नो वन नोज वेयर ही लिव्स. सो वेयर ही लिव्स is an adverb. Where he lives is a clause. No one knows. क्या नहीं जानते सब लोग? Where he lives. तो it is noun clause because what का आंसर दे रहा है. Okay, so it is noun clause. Next one is 6th number. The mice will play when the cat is away. The mice will play when the cat is away. Mice will play when the cat is away. So when the cat is away is a clause. Okay, when the cat is away is a clause. अब माइस हैं वो बहुत ही आराम करते हैं जब कैट नहीं होती है, तो बहुत मज़े करते हैं. ओके, तो टाइम दिखा रहा है. इट इज़ शोइंग टाइम. सो अगेन इट इज़ एडवर्ब clause. Again it is adverb clause. Understood? God helps those who help themselves. ओके, तो यहाँ पर भगवान किसे हेल्प करते हैं? कि जो अपने आप की हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, तो यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव बताया गया है. सो इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पर प्रोनाउन दिया है. आई टोल्ड यू दैट बिफोर WH words, if noun or pronoun is given and it works as an adjective, then it is an adjective clause. Understood? 8 number. This is the house where I was born. चलो ट्राई करो यहाँ पर. This is the house where I was born. यही वो घर है जहाँ पर मेरा जन्म हुआ था. Where I was born. So before the clause, what it is given? The house. And how the house is a noun. So again it is adjective clause. अगर WH से पहले noun या pronoun दिया है तो it is an adjective clause. Understood? Next one is I do not know what she wants. So here what she wants is clause. ओके, व्हाट शी वॉन्ट्स है वो क्लॉज है. सब में देखो क्लॉज है, WH से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. मोस्टली WH से या दैट से स्टार्ट होंगे. ओके, कुछ ऐसे सेंटेंसेस है जहाँ पर कोई भी कनेक्टिव यूज़ नहीं हुआ है. फॉर एग्जांपल 10 नंबर, आई थिंक ही विल पास दिस ईयर. आई थिंक ये पूरा सेंटेंस हो जा रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग द क्लॉज. ओके, these are clause. Next one, 9 number. I told you I do not know what she wants. उसे क्या चाहिए? what do I not know? what का आंसर दे रहा है ना. So it is noun clause. It is noun clause. Okay, I think he will pass this year. I think he will pass this year. Again it is noun clause. what का आंसर दे रहा है. Okay, 11 number. I think he will, 11 number. This is the boy who saved your child's life. Again the boy दिया हुआ है noun, तो adjective हुआ. Okay, adjective हुआ. Then 12 number, I met her when I was in Mumbai. तो when I was in Mumbai is clause. कब मिले थे मुंबई में, तो एक टाइम बता रहा है. ओके, आई मेट हर व्हेन आई वॉज इन मुंबई. यहाँ पे वॉट का आंसर नहीं दे रहा है, यहाँ पे टाइम बता रहा है. सो इट इज़ एडवर्ब क्लॉज. टाइम बता रहा है, एडवर्ब क्लॉज, एडवर्ब बता रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, द डॉग विच बिट द चाइल्ड. बस यहाँ तक आएगा, वॉज मैड नहीं आएगा. द डॉग, देन व्हाट इज द क्लॉज, विच बिट द चाइल्ड. ओके, जिसने बच्चे को काटा. ओके, सो दिस इज क्लॉज. विच बिट द चाइल्ड इज अ क्लॉज. अब उससे पहले द डॉग दिया हुआ है, सो इट इज एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. ओके, ये वाला कौन सा आएगा, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट वन इज आई नो हु इज टू ब्लेम. Who is to blame is clause and it answers what, so it is noun clause. 14 number, noun clause. Understood. 15 number, I know the man who is there. Who is there, and before that noun is given, so adjective clause. Understood. 15 number, I know the man who is there. The man is given, noun is given before the clause, so it is an adjective clause. Next one is, this is the house that Jack built. That Jack built. Okay, this is a clause, and before that the house, noun is given, so it is an adjective clause. Understood. 17 number, people who eat too much die early. So who eat too much, who eat too much is a clause, and before that noun is given, so again it is adjective clause. Okay, next one is whom we met yesterday. Before that also noun is given, so again it is an adjective clause. 19 number, I know when he will come. I know, what do I know, तो sorry, noun clause. When he will come, when he will come is noun clause. I know the time when he will come. I know the time when he will come. What it is, कौन सा टाइम. सो अगेन व्हेन ही विल कम इज एडवर्ब क्लोज. ओके, एडवर्ब क्लोज है. आई नो द टाइम व्हेन ही विल कम, इट इज एन एडवर्ब क्लोज. सो that's all for exercise 2. Now exercise exercise 1. Now exercise 2, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable clauses, adverb clauses, adjective clauses and noun clauses. Adverb clauses, I explained you, he will pass if he work hard. Okay, इस तरह से तुम कर सकते हो सब में. He will pass if he work hard. Before attempting exercise 2, you will go through the kinds of adverbs. Adverbs वाला चैप्टर करवाया है ना, उसमें kinds of adverbs करवाए हैं. Okay, go through the kinds of adverbs. After that start exercise 2. Exercise 2 you will write by yourself. Okay, ये अपने आप लिखनी है and you have to write this exercise in homework, in textbook. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिखनी है ये वाली एक्सरसाइज. ओके, सो कैन यू गेस व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकेंड सेंटेंस. ही केम व्हेन इट वॉज रेनिंग, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, है ना. ही केम व्हेन इट वॉज रेनिंग, वो आया जब बारिश हो रही थी. Okay, they fought while we were resting. वो लड़ रहे थे जब हम लोग आराम कर रहे थे. ओके, मेक हे, ये तो पूरी प्रोवर्ब है. मेक हे while the sun shines. Understood? His father died before his sister got married. ओके, ऐसे लिख सकते हो. वर्क हार्ड इफ यू वॉन्ट टू पास. ओके, वेट टिल आई कम हो सकता है. डू और डाई हो सकता है. वी ईट वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट हो सकता है. वी ईट वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट. देन डैश आई विल कीप इट. whatever I like I will keep it. ओके, सो इसी तरह से एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज और नाउन क्लॉज भी आप लोग बना सकते हो. एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज में देखो सब में है नाउन दिए हुए हैं पहले. दे नेवर फेल, यहाँ पर नहीं दिया है. एन अम्ब्रेला, द बॉय. ओके, so here you can make and noun clause also. Do you know what is the time by your watch? Okay, then he spends that he earns. He spends that he earns. जो कमाता है वो खर्च कर देता है. Okay, in the same way you will make this clauses, adjective clauses also, noun clauses also. I have explained you one or two sentences from adjective clause and noun clause and the whole exercise of adverb clauses. In this way you will complete this exercise in your textbook only. It is for your practice. Try to complete it, and if any problem is there you can ask in whenever we have the online lecture. Okay, I'll remove your queries. I will solve your queries, and you have to write exercise 1 in textbook only, here only. यहाँ पर ही लिखनी है. ओके, ये टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिखनी है एक्सरसाइज 1. कंप्लीट इट इन टेक्स्ट बुक एंड बी क्लियर इन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्रेज एंड क्लॉज. If you know what is phrase, what is clause, then the whole chapter will be easy for you. And this chapter is important as there is some link in the next chapters also. ये chapter की दूसरे chapter में भी links हैं. Okay, we will study adverb clause, noun clause, adjective clause in detail in chapter number 18, 19, 20 and also in 21. So you can go through this chapter. First of all, in this chapter you will be clear regarding phrase and clause and the parts of speech, noun, adverb and adjective. ये तीनों चीज़ आपको क्लियर होगी तो आपको ये जल्दी से लर्न हो जाएगा. You will not face any problem. Then also I will explain this clauses. Different 3 clauses are there. I will explain these clauses in next lectures whenever we will have grammar chapter number 18, 19, 20. Okay, but complete the notes till then. Bye.